Hood update number 1 coming at you right now. Hey everyone, and welcome to update number 1 of Project Hood, the 1/200 scale Trumpeter ship that I've been working on. I thought I'd give you a quick update on the progress of it so far. I suppose what you're looking at right now is probably the most interesting part of what I have finished so far. I'll zoom in a little more on that. So I've added some of the photo etch to the side, and you can see along here it adds in the word hood, which isn't actually in the plastic on the ship. You can see here I've built the ladders for this side. These ones go to the other, and the platforms that come off the door and this mezzanine area here are built, and they will go to the other side as well. And then really down the side of the ship, all I've got on is everything built underneath this section here. I built this handy stand here, which I can actually turn the ship without damaging it. And I'll just bear with me as I drag the tripod across, and you can kind of see I don't have that glued down yet. That part there is just on there loose because I've got other work I have to do up here. But there again you can see a little closer. I'm not in my actual normal studio area. I did have a problem down here. I had one of these guys here bust off, so I've had to repair that, and that is right there. So as you can see in here, I have the aforementioned piece that I was talking about, and I've added some sprue goo solution to thicken it up a bit because I had to sand it down and fix some divots and that kind of thing, which it's not totally fixed yet, but I will have it in working order when it's ready to glue on. And these guys here I'm just working on now, and they get glued onto a different section of the ship. I'll be working on these guys right here, and that's what those are in there. And then this superstructure here is what will get built up next, and then onto this part here. So all that's pretty much complete except for these little extensions here that I haven't glued on yet. I have to add those as well, so that'll be added to it next. I did notice down here underneath the platforms there should be some supporting legs. Apparently there should be some supporting legs coming from the end. I may add those, I may not. I'm not sure yet. And this part here needs to get built, and this part here, which goes up and along in this area here. I'm not cutting out any of these. It wants me to cut out all of these and add brass. All these they want made out of brass. I'm not doing any of that. These look fine in my opinion. These are thin enough. I don't know why they want you to make those out of photo etch, but I won't be doing that either, so that's the way that'll go. Everything in that box there's all the photo etch instructions. I'm still working at that. And some of the photo etch and all the rest of this. I've gone through some of it and I've labeled it to determine what exactly some of that is. Whether all of it's going in or not, I'm not sure. So anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick update on the progress of the hood. That is it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
Bring the kids! We got entertainment for the whole family.